Before, after, no, Hopefully it improves our signal. Welcome back to the journey, friends. So yeah, as you've seen, we're doing a little bit of before and after, before, after, before, after. So yeah, really need to get this shop cleaned up, because one of the things that I have not showed yet is this trailer right here. That one, that little tiny trailer right there, it needs to be cleaned out. The reason why we need to clean that out is because we actually still have a lot of stuff over at my buddy's place, the house that we were staying at before we moved onto our property. We have a bedroom there that still has a bunch of things in it. We still pay him every month, and I mean, he never asked for it, but we just offered to give him that because we are using it as a storage facility, and it'd be about the same as what any storage facility would be anyway, give or take. And I would like to go ahead and reclaim that. So we're going to get this trailer cleaned out. But before I can do that, we need to get to this shop. So yeah, I have not been looking forward to doing this part. A little bit of before. After day one, still got a lot more to go to get stuff organized around here. And it's a lot darker back here, but I was able to get the bandsaw out of the trailer, get stuff moved around. Sorry it's dark in here, I know. Let's see. I don't know if that helps any, but so a lot of this stuff's still gonna get moved around. Shelving's gonna get moved around, but not done yet. And the after, which obviously this is still gonna be a work in progress. And I know I do have a light installed, so it's a little bit better, but it's still kind of dark in here. But yeah, there's still a lot of stuff. So obviously with the few little shelves I got in here, it's just not enough to be able to store stuff, but I do have everything out of here. I will be putting some more shelving in here. I got to build out of some 2x3s, 2x4s, whatnot, but I will get some more shelving put into this area here. Obviously this does not stay there. I'm still trying to kind of figure out how I want to lay this out, and still be able to walk through here, obviously, but be able to utilize this without having to move it every time. So we'll kind of see how that's going to go, because this will be staying into this little tent area. But yeah, we'll get it figured out. So let's go check out the next thing. Before and the after. So this is all fully cleared out and ready to go pick up our stuff over at my buddy's place. That way we don't have to pay for storage no more. And this is where the lockers went. I didn't really do a before of this, but this is the after, because I did not know that this is where the lockers were going at the time of doing the befores and afters.
Hey, these are my lockers.
Okay.
They're my lockers.
But this is part of the video, so she doesn't know because she's always at work. But
yeah,
once she gets home, she'll actually be a little more involved and know what's going on.
Yeah,
but this was the before and after videos. Before and after video, I guess, showing a bunch of the befores and afters, what was going on.
Yep.
But what have you been doing over here to the lockers?
I was cleaning them out. I already finished putting tape all over them because those Japanese beetles are trying to get in. So
Yeah,
we want to
so all the little grooves, and then as you see over here, there's 50 million little holes all on the sides and the back. So she's taping them up.
Tape them up.
So
now we get some.
Hi guys.
Yay! Now we can clean up our lovely. This is our hanger of all our sweaters and jackets.
yeah, a lot of this stuff has been just gathering a bunch of stuff. So we'll get to that eventually. Oh, and I did want to do a quick interruption. There's no product or anything like that. I just letting you guys know that we were able to spend some time with our friends at Making It Home, Lauren and Joel, over the weekend. We went to one of the next towns up. We got to watch a Christmas parade along with, they had a little bit of a festival going on. So we went and checked that out. Had some great fellowship. And I didn't take any video because they were playing music around the whole area. But I do have pictures that will be at the end. So stick around, check them out. All right, y'all. Back to the video. Hear that? Yeah. That's the whiny baby. You're okay. Nothing wrong with you. So I had some great footage of stuff that Mom and Dad were doing. Some before and after type stuff, and completely shot it in the wrong format. For whatever reason, my phone switched over to time lapse instead of normal recording. So anybody that knows, in time lapse, it doesn't record any type of audio. And now today is a little on the breezy side, so hopefully you guys are able to hear me okay without the breeze blowing into the microphone. But anyway, let me go reshoot this, and that way you guys can see what they've been doing. Creek is up, on our way over here to look at the progress. So, oh, I'm so thankful I get to walk across the bridge. Awesome. Love it. So the wood pile's been getting a little bit bigger. And they've actually extended out that way just a little bit more. I mean, another good 10 feet maybe. But then look at this, y'all. Look at the view. Another big tree came down in front just to open up the drive area, the porch. Cleared out a lot more over there. That's almost completely cleared out now. And then over here towards the creek, which a lot of this, once all the big stuff is picked up, I'm going to come through with the tractor. But then, obviously, still burning. So, obviously, this was the after. And I'm going to go back through some of our older videos and try to show you a before. Obviously, if I'm showing it to you, you're seeing it now. But, man, they have been putting in the effort. And it's looking great. Looking great. So, most of this, obviously, this is where their home is, right? This is where they're doing for them, what the way they want it to look. So that's awesome. Obviously, you know, Gladys and I have been doing a lot of the projects that we needed to get done, to include cleaning out the trailer, getting the shop ready. Even though the shop's still got a lot of work, but it's all part of the process of things that we need to do to be able to recoup a little bit of money. And that's getting stuff out of storage. So that's why we had to clean out the trailer. And now it's ready, and we're going to do that this week. So, but let's get over here. Let's check out this other part. So obviously what they've been clearing. Not only that, check out this drive. Look down the entire right side of the fence line. Got it almost completely cleared out. Obviously this still has to go. Already planning on that. Been getting some of the fence put back up. A lot of this fence was tore down. So now the barbed wire is back up. We've been getting the purple paint up for no hunting, no trespassing. But man, does this not just look amazing? Obviously some of the parts right in here, we still got to fix the fence, but all this fence is temporary because we plan on redoing the whole thing at some point. But coming down here, checking out, this is like the little fishing hole, which a lot of people used to come here to fish, you know, before we bought the property, because we had to take out a few things that was in here. But you can see there's bobbers in there. That's Dad's stuff that he has in there for his catfish. But yeah, it's looking amazing. Oh my goodness. And with that, that's what we got. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And then there's another video you can check out here. It's actually going to have this light that we reviewed. So it's an awesome outdoor security light. Go check it out. We have another playlist here that you can check out. Just continue on with the journey. It's greatly appreciated. 2 icons make it easy to subscribe, both here and to the side channel. And then last but not least, always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.